All I can say is, this. I just sold my F-150. Now I'm going to have to get another one. This one is unbelievable. What the heck is this, Dave Stahl?
This is a sweet ride. Hey, this is DG Motorsports out of Oceanside. They like to take new vehicles, manufacturer sends them to them, and they come up with these killer ideas. Check this out.
Mic, Dave. We're not getting your mic.
Not getting your mic. Turn it off.
All right, sorry about that. Check this out. 2001 SEMA Show, Las Vegas, presented by J. Mays. Best show truck right here.
Look at this engine. Look at that engine. Supercharged.
That's it. Hey, and if you're into carbon fiber, just grab this hood without hitting the camera.
Can you
see how
see
light
this?
that is?
Yeah, can you see this? This is all carbon fiber here and under the hood.
No, it's a real
the whole
carbon,
hood is carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber hood. Exactly. So
Whoa.
lightweight, good gas mileage. All this is done, like I said, up in Oceanside. All this billet aluminum. If you just love the looks of everything.
And this is a 2001 model truck.
But let me show
Look
you
at
the
this.
real deal.
Wait, I got to show them the TV first.
Okay, you do that.
Look here. Look on the back of the headrest there. It's got one up there by the radio, which I think is probably pretty stupid because you don't want to be watching TV driving down the road.
But everything's DV operated. But hey,
it's DVD. It's just slide the DVD. Oh my gosh! Tailgaters, come with
you
me.
haven't seen nothing yet.
Oh, Charger fans,
Padre fans,
fans.
bring it out here where we can use it.
Oh,
we have to be able to use it.
No way! Look.
Absolutely.
Oh, there was stuff in there.
Well, there you
That's
go. Now you're all
sick.
set.
That's not even beer.
Well,
That's like some kind of manure stuff.
Here you go. If you want,
now I'm going to go home and smell like beer.
Little plasma screen here from.
Oh, you got to be kidding me.
You got your coolers, you know, where you can put all your goodies inside here.
Look, there's a keg in this one.
Well, absolutely.
This must be your truck, Stahl.
Well, I drank all the beer I could, so you wouldn't have to be bothered with it.
So you got your DVD player, you got your Fleetwood Mac on there, you got your
barbecue.
Oh,
check
that's
this out.
unbelievable.
And if you're thinking, oh well, now what happened to my truck? Well, guess what?
Talon.
Yeah, you got everything. This unit comes out, so you don't lose your pickup truck availability.
And as soon as you're done, it's time to go in the game.
You just roll it in, lock it up,
slide it back in, and
you don't have to worry about doing it. Now this is a concept truck. This truck is Ford Motor Company's picking this thing up tomorrow. In fact, I held them back so we could put this on the show, thanks to Steve Weekly.
Wow.
Look at that. See how easy that is? Just slides right in.
Right after you're done tailgating. And all of this obviously is safe because you're going to have a lot of heat from that.
Then all you got to do is push this up, and it has a locking device so that when you're traveling,
close the tailgate,
and you drop this
down.
Drop
the top. Turn the key.
And you just go into the game, or you go to races, or wherever you want to go.
I'd sit out in the driveway and do it. I'd just have a big old barbecue out there.
Is this slick or what?
Everything drops down in the back, creates a lot of cargo room there since you do have the back filled up. So.
And you know what's interesting? A lot of local folks had a lot to do with this. Tweeters did the installation, you know, and there's just all kinds of folks here locally that got involved in putting this whole package together.
Hey, and if we've got the website on the screen right now. If you guys are interested in, we're talking about a lot of money to upgrade a truck like this.
Well, not really. Like the barbecue setup back there, that's about $5,000.
Yeah.
Which
everything all totaled, we're talking about 15,000.
Yeah,
or so?
probably so. But really, what this truck is all about is giving the community an opportunity to see what's available. Now, this is a one-only truck. They're not
what
built.
You can do.
And what Ford's going to do is take this thing all around the United States and show people and see if they like the idea. If they like the idea, then, of course, DG will probably get the contract to start building these things.
Hey,
well, I like the idea, and we're,
Where's the porta potty?
Oh, right over here. What you do is you stop, side of the road, step in behind the door.
There you go.
Am I right or am I wrong?
Outhouse, baby, yeah. Redneck outhouse.
This is
cool. You got it.
That
is amazing.
It matches your T-Bird.
Forget being a homeowner.
You could tow the T-Bird behind this.
Yeah.
Wow.
You just got to convince the wife.
Thanks, you guys.
Okay, $15,000 in upgrades. All right, sure. What the heck?